Okay, now can you guys hear me? I hope it is clear now. All right, so let's get started. Before I proceed, and maybe you are listening me for the first time, or maybe you heard me on the YouTube channel, but it is my moral responsibility to talk about myself first because you are going to invest so much, right? So, my name is Ankush Sir. I have around 12 plus years of experience in the IT industry. Previously, I worked with the companies like Cognizant, Infosys, Wipro, L&T Infotech, LTI, Mindtree nowadays. All these companies I have worked. So my mainly focus or mainly expertise in the database administration. In my 12 years of experience, I got the opportunity to work with the multiple databases like Oracle, PostgreSQL. I also work on the database, like along with this database administration, I also got the opportunity to handle the data engineering technologies, right? And apart from this, I got the exposure to work on the cloud specific technologies like your AWS and Azure. GCP, I didn't get a chance, but all the clouds are same only. So if you know how to handle one cloud, you can easily handle and you can easily do the administration of any other databases or any other cloud also, because these things we have observed in the administration of databases also. So if you know how to handle the Oracle database, you can easily do the administration of other databases also. Okay, so that's not a big deal. Yeah, it's pretty much simple, pretty much good. Okay, now why we are here and what is our main agenda, right? That's what we are going to see now. So we are here to talk about a database administration. Okay. Um, Few things like before I go to the technical part, I know that you people have a lot of questions in your mind, and these are the questions which are kind of repetitive, and we saw this every time. So I'm going to explain that one by one. Don't worry about that. Okay. Um, when we talked about the IT industry, when we talked about the IT industry, so basically in the IT industry, you will see two type of skill set. Okay, in the IT industry, you will see two type of skill set. One is like we called it as a development track. So in the development track, basically you will be working on .NET, Java, C, C++, Angular. So you're basically front end technologies, or you can work on the back end technologies also. So whenever we are talking about the development, basically you should know how to write down the code. So basically you should be very strong in the programming kind of skill set. Now some people who are coming from IT background, engineering background, BTech background, computer background, normally I observe that these people are quite interested in coding kind of skill set. I am also a BTech person. I completed my BTech in computer science only. But doing a coding is not a cup of tea for everyone. Okay. So if you think that someone has done the engineering in computer science, so you might be thinking that he can do the code, he can do the programming. No, that's not a compulsory. You can ask any person from computer background. Every person will not be aware about the programming, or he is not interested to do the programming. So those people who do not know the coding, they can't do anything in the IT industry. No, not like that. Okay. Initially when I started my career into the IT industry, I thought like IT is about all about the programming only. So if you know programming, you can do the everything. If you don't know programming, you cannot do anything. But that's not a case, guys. That's not a real scenario actually. So in the IT industry, there are many technologies are there where you don't need to write down a single line of code also. Among that, this technology we called it as a administration. So any technology which is not coming under development, any technology which is not coming under development, and the technology which is coming under administration, in the administration you don't need to write down the code. So what are those technologies are there? In the administration means you have administrations related to the database administration, like we have a technology called Oracle DBA, PostgreSQL DBA, MySQL DBA, SQL Server DBA. In all these database administration technologies, you don't need to do any type of coding. You don't need to do that. Okay. And apart from this, there are other technologies are also, like let's say you are thinking about the cloud, DevOps, somehow data analyst also, but data analyst also required a Python. So all these things where the administration is mentioned na, basically there you don't need to do any kind of programming. You can start your career. I'm telling you, these jobs or this package wise, the administration jobs are too much in the IT industry. So one thing which I clear from my side, like any person who is coming from any person who is coming from technical background or non-technical background, he can do the database administration kind of technologies where you don't need to write down a single line of code. It's not a programming skill set. You don't need to understand Java, .NET, Python and all. So if you are thinking that I want to start the career into the Oracle DBA, but I don't know about the programming, it's okay. You don't need to understand about the Python. We are not going to teach you how you can write down the Python and all. No, it's not required, guys. It's not required. It's not required. So don't worry about that. Okay, that is the first thing. Now coming to the next part, which is again very famous, very important questions that I observe in most of the people. They are saying that okay, programming is fine, but I have a gap in my career. Some people are saying that okay, I was working previously, then due to this family condition I need to leave the job, again I want to resume the career. Can I start my career into the DBA? I would say yes. Most of the people who are getting placed through LearnOmate are having a gap only. See, normally, like the person who is having a job, he is not going to invest the money. Normally, let's say I'm a developer and I have a job. At the month end, I'm getting the salary. Usually, people are not interested to spend the money when they are having a job. So the people who want to kickstart the career or resume the career, they are only going to invest the money. So whenever you see, it's like okay, we have a people who are whenever you see we have a people who are getting placed. Even I think 2 days back also one person got selected, and I think last week also 3 people got selected. Most of the people have gap in their career only. You just need to manage that. You just need to manage that. So remember one thing. If 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 you want to start your career into the DBA, are you guys able to hear me, guys? 1 minute. अरे यार, कोई तो बोल रहा ऑडियो नहीं आ रहा। माँ की आपत, इतना बड़बड़ किया मैंने। शिट। अच्छा, अभी आएगा वो। ठीक है। अच्छा, कैन यू हियर मी नाउ? सॉरी 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 सॉरी। ए यार, 20 मिनट से बड़बड़ कर रहा मैं, आवाज़ ही नहीं आ रही। बोलते अब ये तुमको आ रही है पर यूट्यूब पे नहीं आ रही। कोई नहीं, होते रहता है ऐसा जीवन में, चढ़ उतार। अभी लोग कैसे ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं? अच्छा, इसलिए मैं बोलूं गड़बड़ क्या हुए? अरे यार, ठीक है, नाउ इट्स ऑडिबल ना? Okay, fine guys. Thank you. Acha, till now whatever we discuss, are you able to understand? Two things I discuss, okay? Two things I discuss. So one thing which I discuss is, if someone is saying that I am coming from non-technical background and I don't know about the programming, can I start my career into the IT industry? I'm saying, if you are coming from non-technical background and you don't know about the coding, you can easily start your career into the database administration, because in database administration you don't need to write down the code also. You don't need to write down the code also. You don't need to write down programming. That is the first thing. Second thing which I have told you, what is the second thing that I have told you? Even though you have a gap in your career, still you can start your career into the IT industry. Okay, I am telling you a lot of examples from my previous play student. They have a gap in their career. They are working as a Oracle DBA and now they are earning like anything. Okay, so don't worry about that. Now you might be asking like, अगर वो इतना कमा रहे तो फिर आप लोग ट्रेनिंग क्यों ले रहे हैं, जॉब ही क्यों नहीं कर रहे? क्योंकि इसमें ज़्यादा पैसा है, उससे भी ज़्यादा। बात तो सही है ना? वही बात है, जिधर पैसा उधर ही करना पड़ेगा ना. So 12 years I already work. So the things which I'm telling you, it is coming from my experience only, and whatever things which I learned throughout my career, because I work with the multiple MNC company, even the small companies also. I'm just here to talk about all those experiences with you people. Able to understand, guys? Everyone, can you please use the chat option and let me know? Can you please say yes, no, whatever it is? Tell me. Are you able to understand, everyone? Till now, whatever we discuss, able to understand? Can you please use the chat option? Sandeep is saying yes, Rakesh is saying yes, Prakash is saying yes, Aditya is saying yes, Dushant is saying yes, Ramesh is saying yes, Kushal is saying yes. Nice. What about others? Able to understand? Till now, whatever we discuss, are you able to understand? Okay, nice. Okay. So there is a question from Anirban. SQL is programming. Do we need SQL in the Oracle DBA? Okay, now he is saying, do we need SQL in the Oracle DBA? Okay. So if you want to start the career into the Oracle DBA, as I said earlier, you don't need to write down the code and all. Okay, that's not required. Okay, don't worry about that. You don't need to write down the code. If you want to start the career into the Oracle database administration, let me tell you the roadmap. So I'm going to share my screen with all of you. So this is the roadmap, guys. Okay, I'm going to tell you the roadmap for Oracle DBA. My handwriting is really bad. I know that I cannot do anything. The first thing that you should know about SQL. SQL everyone know, right? The first thing which everyone know, SQL. Second thing, you should be aware about Linux. And third thing, you should be aware about finally Oracle DBA. So if you want to start your career into the database administration, if you want to come here, this part, you need to start with SQL, then Linux, and then with Oracle DBA. Now here I didn't mention that, okay, you need to write down about the Python and all. Okay, I'm not mentioning that, where you need to do Python and all. That's not required, guys. Okay, don't worry about that. You don't need Python and all. So that part I'll take care of. What about this Oracle DBA? Now, like you might be thinking that, are we going to understand about Oracle DBA only? No, we are going to understand about SQL also, Linux also, and Oracle DBA also. So this is basically your complete 3 months of course. Okay. Now the next question will be again, like when we people are working, for what purpose we are working, right? What is the importance of it? Where everyone is working here for the money, paisa, right? Package. So what are the packages like you can get when you are starting your career into the Oracle DBA? So normally when you are starting your career into the Oracle DBA, the fresher is always getting fresher. Okay. So normally the fresher package will be 4 lakhs. Okay. Irrespective of any company you go with Cognizant, Infosys. The initial package is always same. Initial packages are always same. So if you're thinking that okay, your initial package will be 40 lakhs and 50 lakhs, nothing will like happen like that. Okay. The initial package for Oracle DBA, it is always same for freshers only. Okay. Now yeah, once you are there, okay, once you are there, like let's say that you are having 3+ years of experience. Let's take an example, you are having 3+ years of experience, then you can get the package around 8 lakhs. Like once when you are a fresher now, you should not worry about the money. Okay, I'm always saying to the people, when you're a fresher and if you're getting a job free of cost also now, you should go for it. So don't go behind the money, you should go behind the skills, because if you have a skills, you can earn like anything. There is no limit for that. So if you are having 3+ years of experience, you can earn like around 8 lakhs. Again, that is completely depending upon the company which you are providing. It is also completely depending upon your experience, how much experience you have. It is also completely depending upon your current package also. What is your current package? Now let's say you are getting, like let's say you are 8+ years of experience now, how much you can expect? If I am a 8 plus, okay, if I am 8 plus, definitely I'll go with at least 20 plus. Again, this range can go from 20 to 30 lakhs also. This range can grow for 20 to 30 lakhs also. Now if you are asking me, can I get the package beyond 50 lakhs? Did you see any people who are having a package called more than 50 lakhs? I can tell you with my experience only, many people are there in the Pune only. Okay, I'm not talking about all those Bangalore and all. Many people are there who are working as a DBA and they have current package more than 50 lakhs also. You guys need to trust me. But if you want to get a good package, it is not like you should be just aware about the core DBA concept. You should know everything. Like once you are done with the Oracle DBA, there are many advanced technologies are also there that you guys need to understand. So when you are 3 plus, along with the Oracle DBA, people are also expecting that you should have rack knowledge also. Rack. Then you can learn about the OCI. OCI is very famous nowadays in the market. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Then you have a migration technology called Golden Gate is there. Then we have Exadata is there. ExaCC is there. Many things are there. That is there in the future when you are 10+ years of experience. When you are very much experienced now and you are looking for 50 lakhs, 60 lakhs package. So for that you need to understand about the most advanced technologies which are coming. The people are talking about the cloud also, right, nowadays. So once your fundamentals are strong with the Oracle DBA, so Oracle DBA once, so that is like a fundamental, then you can start learning about the OCI also. The same thing you are going to learn on the Oracle cloud. So package wise, if someone is asking me by package wise, what will be the package of freshers? The freshers package will be 4 lakhs. Again, I'm talking about all these CMI level 5 company only, like Cognizant, Wipro, Infosys and all these. I'm not talking about all those FANG company like Facebook, Meta, then you have Google, Netflix, all those companies I'm not talking about. Or Amazon. See, even Amazon is also hiring for DBA. So when Amazon is hiring for DBA, the initial package itself will be like more than 10 lakhs. You can reach to that company also, provided, what is the condition? Provided, what is the condition? You can reach to that position, provided the condition is you should be upgraded, upskill yourself. And for that, who can help you? The LearnOmate can help you. The LearnOmate can help you. I'm there, na? I am there to help you out. And we are not new here, okay? You might be definitely thinking about it, right? We have around 80,000 followers on our YouTube channel. If you check our YouTube channel, we have around 80,000 followers are there on our YouTube channel. We have around 40,000 plus followers on our Instagram. So we are not new here, okay? So the best part about the LearnOmate, being the owner, I am a trainer also. So I am going to teach you from the very basic till the advanced, to ensure that you will understand each and every concept, even though you are coming from non-technical background. So who can learn about the Oracle DBA? Any person who is having gap in the career, any person who thinks that I have a gap in my career, you can start your career into the IT industry. Any person who is coming from non-technical background, like let's say you are saying that okay, I have done BSc, I have done BCA, I have done anything, but I need a graduation. Okay, so any person who is coming from non-technical background, he can start his career into the Oracle DBA. Any person who wish to get a good package, any person who wish to get a good package, he can become a Oracle DBA. Any person who thinks that I want a safe job, he can start his career into the Oracle DBA. Why I'm talking about all these things, why I'm talking about all these things, because when the recessions comes now, the first people who will be fired from the IT industry is basically testers. If they have a team of 10 people, we don't need 10 people, one person will do the testing. Second people will be moving like your developers. Why? When we don't have a money, what type of development you are going to do, right? I don't have money to spend, right? So I'm not going to construct my new home, but whatever home you have, you are going to manage that na. So these are the databases administrator, DBA will come in the last, because when you have a DBA, when you have a databases, we need a people who can do the administration. So whatever infrastructure you have, we need someone, right, who can handle the infrastructure. Who will handle your database related infrastructure? DBA people, database administrator. They will take care of it. So if you want to start the career into the Oracle DBA, you guys can reach out to this number. The numbers are available over the screen. If the numbers are not responding, you can WhatsApp them, or you can send an email also to us. And this is our official website. You can go here, and if you go to this learnomate.org, you can see the numbers here. Okay, so this is our official website. You can see our Google reviews, Instagram, and everything. You can go through that. And this is a complete training syllabus. So if I go to training, Oracle DBA 19C, this is a complete syllabus, guys. If you scroll it down, what we are going to cover? We are going to start with SQL, Linux, installation, backup recovery, ASM, patching upgradation, performance tuning. Many other things are there. The complete syllabus is available here. So if you click here, you can see the complete syllabus here. Everything you can see here. Everything. Guys, are you enjoying? Like, do you find this session is helpful for you? Can you please use the chat option? Say yes. Okay, I'll take all your questions. Okay, I know that you people are very much interested. I'll take you all of your questions. But till now, whatever we discuss, are you able to understand? Are you happy with like whatever things I'm telling you? Okay. Acha. And one request. There is a Google form available in the chat options. There is a Google form available in the chat options. Can you please fill up that Google form? Okay, there is a Google form coming from my team. Can you please fill up that? Please fill up this. I'll wait for 2 minutes. Okay, and I'll take all of your questions. Don't worry about that. Meanwhile, please fill up this. I'll take all of your questions. Okay, I'll copy that. Please fill up this Google form. Okay, so I have sent you the Google form. Please fill up it. So don't worry about that. Okay, I'll show you everything. Okay, we are going to see one by one, slowly I'll show you everything. Okay. Acha, so there is a person, he's saying that SQL is a coding language. Sir, just now you said that no coding skill is required for Oracle DBA, but then SQL is a coding language that we need to know. So SQL is not a coding. It's not a coding. It's a language for to communicate with the database. Okay, now if someone is asking me that, okay, do we need to understand about too much technical SQL? No. Normally, when you are working as a DBA, your all the SQL queries will be written by application team. So you will have application team, or we called it as a developer team. So this team is responsible to write down your SQL queries. Now the SQL which I am telling you that you should know, that is a very basic SQL. Like you should know about what is DML statements, DDL statements, DCL statements, all those TCL, like, or what are small things you should know. Like when you say that create table, at least you should understand that, okay, you are going to create a table and you are inserting some data. Again, you don't need to create a table. The table creation query also provided by which team? Developer team and application team. They will provide you. You just need to run that. What you need to do? You just need to run that. But what he is giving you, at least you should understand. Na? That is the reason I am telling you, you should have a basic, very basic SQL knowledge. Again, this also I am going to cover. Second important thing is you should have basic Linux command. There are certain 30-40 commands are there. That also you should know. Again, I am going to cover that. So if someone is saying that SQL is a programming language, no, it's not a programming language. It's not a programming language. It's not like Java and C and C++, nothing like that. You should have a basic SQL. Like you should know, you don't need to understand about trigger, procedure, functions and all those things. No, you don't need that. Okay. You don't need that. Okay. You don't need that. Please fill up the Google form, guys. Please fill up the Google form, which is available in the chat options. Please fill up the Google form. And for my PLC code developer, is it suitable for DBA? When there are, see, when you talked about the database, in database also there are two tracks are there. In database, there are two tracks are there. One is developer track. Second one is DBA track. Developer people are going to write down your SQL queries like trigger, procedure, functions. Maybe you heard about it. These are the one. DBA is mainly responsible to manage the database. Means at any cost your database should not be down. Means if I want to take the backup, if I want to check the performance of database, I need to check the health check of my database. This will be done by the DBA, database administrator. अगर आप लोग DBA का लॉन्ग फॉर्म मेरे से पूछोगे ना, तो क्या है DBA का लॉन्ग फॉर्म? क्या है? दिन भर आराम. ज्यादा काम नहीं है. मीन्स काम है, ओके, फुकट में तो कोई पैसा देता नहीं है. You have a work there, okay, but it's just like, unless and until there is no work, you need to be relaxed. But it is very responsible job, guys. If I'm giving you 10 lakh rupees and saying that, okay, you need to pass this 10 lakh to this particular person. Let's say I'm asking you, okay, you take this cash and go to the Mumbai location. See, going to the Mumbai location is not a big problem. It's an easy job, right? But it is very responsible job, right? Because you are going with the cash. Here cash is basically your production database. Do you know that yesterday there is something called Cloudflare, right? You might have heard about it. It was completely down, right? Did you heard about it? Everyone, did you heard about it? Yesterday the Cloudflare was down, right? Everyone know na? पता है कि नहीं है? So basically our website, chat GPT, Twitter, everything was down, right? If you go to the Google and if you ask cloud, there is a company called Cloudflare. This company was down. Since this company was down, see 3 hours ago, everything was down, including a LearnOmate website, including our chat GPT, Twitter, everything was down. See, chat GPT, X, everything was down. So that is the reason I'm telling you, my main responsibility as a DBA to make sure that it should be running. So if your database goes down, you will not be able to do anything in your life. Okay. So that's how it is work. Okay. So now what I will do, I will take your questions. Definitely you might have a questions in your mind, right? Like, and you might be very excited to ask the questions also. So I'll take all of your questions. So you can unmute yourself, ask the questions, and let's see. If you have any questions regarding the trainings, anything, so let
जी
me know.
सर मेरा तो मैं कर सकता हूँ ना, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना।
नहीं, आपकी आवाज कट रही है.
हेलो।
हाँ, अभी आ रही है, ठीक है.
आउट है तो मैं अभी ओरेकल डीबीए कर सकता हूँ ना, कोई प्रॉब्लम तो
कब
नहीं आएगी।
कब मतलब प्रॉब्लम, पहले क्या पहले क्या बोला, वो नहीं समझा मुझे.
मेरा ग्रेजुएशन होटल मैनेजमेंट में हुआ है सर।
अच्छा, होटल मैनेजमेंट में हुआ है. वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ओके, इरेस्पेक्टिव ऑफ वॉट एवर डिग्री यू हैव, बट डिग्री चाहिए. ओके. अभी
और
पहले वो
5 साल का गैप भी हो गया है सर।
तो उल्टा अच्छा है, वो जितना गैप उतना अच्छा, क्योंकि यू विल नॉट बी गोइंग एज अ फ्रेशर्स. इफ यू आर गोइंग एज अ फ्रेशर्स ना, फ्रेशर के लिए थोड़ा सा तकलीफ होता है कहीं पे भी. ओके,
Sir, I wanted to ask a question. Can I proceed?
1 मिनट, लेट मी कंप्लीट दैट. सो आप क्या करो, वो फॉर्म फिलअप करो, मेरी मैं आपको कॉल
जी
करूँगा,
सर।
ठीक है, एंड वी विल डिस्कस ऑफलाइन
जी
अबाउट
सर।
दैट. यस, हाँ हाँ, कोई कोई नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन प्लीज.
Sir, I actually
ओके सर,
wanted to
थैंक यू।
ask that I am basically already working on Oracle and I have deployed my N10 workflows on the Oracle. So I wanted to ask, will you be covering specifically AI agents kind of things, or you will be teaching Oracle database as a general?
No, see, I'm going to talk about the Oracle DBA. So you need to understand the role of DBA. Role of DBA is not to create agents and all. Okay, we are mainly responsible because see, in Oracle there are multiple roles are there. I am just a small part of that role because in Oracle we have multiple tools and technologies are there. My responsibility to make sure that if someone is saying that, okay, can you please help me with the Oracle database installation, so I will take care of that. If someone is saying that, can you take the backup of database, I will take care of that. If someone is saying that, okay, can you please check my performance of my database, I will take care of that. So these are the things that we are going to see in our class.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
या हेलो सर, आकाश बात कर रहा हूँ।
Yes, Akash.
एक्चुअली मैं 4 साल से ओरेकल डीबीए के ऊपर काम कर रहा
हम्म.
हूँ एज एन परफॉर्मेंस ट्यूनिंग एंड ओरेकल रैक के ऊपर किया हो। तो ये जो परफॉर्मेंस ट्यूनिंग होता है वो सब आई मीन जो ओरेकल डीबीए हम सब करते हैं, तो एसक्यूएल सर्वर डीबीए में सेम ही होता है क्या?
सारे डेटाबेस एक जैसे ही होते हैं. अभी मैं पोस्टग्रेसक्यूएल भी लेता हूँ. ओके, so the
ओके।
concept like blocking sessions, indexing, right, full table scan, so all those concepts are also available in PostgreSQL also, as well as in SQL Server also. Okay, approach is same, only the table name will get changed or little bit changes will be there, but the person who understand the Oracle, he can understand any other databases. That I observe, because Oracle is like compared to the other database, it has so much of functionalities.
ओके।
हेलो।
ओके, एंड वन मोर थिंग, रैक के ऊपर फुल कोर्स अवेलेबल है क्या आपके पास?
है ना, मेरा रैक का बैच भी है अभी. आप वो गूगल फॉर्म
ओके
फिलअप करो एंड आई विल कॉल यू, वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट रैक.
ओके ओके, थैंक यू।
Hello, Ankush Sir.
Yes, yes,
Yeah, can you hear me? Sandeep
I
here.
can hear you.
ओके, सो मेरा ये डाउट है, आई मीन नॉट डाउट, जस्ट काइंड ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन। अभी जैसे कि मेरा टोटल आईटी एक्सपीरियंस 14 ईयर्स है, 14। तो उसमें रिलेवेंट ओरेकल डीबीए इज काइंड ऑफ 9 और 10 ईयर्स, 9 ईयर्स बेसिकली। ओके,
Hmm.
अभी उसमें क्या है कि आई नो बेसिक ओरेकल थिंग्स। आई एम वर्किंग एज ओरेकल डीबीए सिंस पास्ट 8 or 9 years डेडिकेटेडली. But thing is like that I'm not familiar or not having the practical knowledge related to the advanced things like rack, data guard, then you can say golden gate or the performance tuning, basically not the advanced part. So
Okay.
जस्ट मैं ये पूछना चाह रहा हूँ कि मेरे लिए क्या आगे पाथ रह सकता है थ्रू दिस कोर्स, और ये पहला क्वेश्चन है रिगार्डिंग टू ओरेकल डीबी ओनली, कि मेरा नॉलेज उस लेवल पे आए अप टू 14 ईयर्स ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस।
Hmm.
ओके, क्योंकि मैंने बताया जैसे रिलेवेंट मेरा 8 to 9 ही है, और उसमें भी कैसे कहीं कहीं पे कुछ प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज कहीं प्रोजेक्ट में मिला, कहीं पे नहीं मिला। सो दैट इज द थिंग रिलेटेड टू ओरेकल। और सेकंड थोड़ा ऑफ क्वेश्चन है, इफ यू अलाउ देन आई कैन
Yeah,
आस्क
yeah.
यू।
Tell me. No problem.
ओके, तो दूसरा ये है कि अभी मैं जो देख रहा हूँ, जो मार्केट सीनियर एंड ऑल दैट, कि जैसे ओरेकल डीबीए अगर इंटरव्यू देने जाते हैं कहीं पे, जैसे मैं देता हूँ बीच बीच में, तो वहाँ पे वो पूछते हैं कि अलॉन्ग विद ओरेकल डीबीए डू यू नो एनी क्लाउड टेक्नोलॉजी। ओके, हाँ, आई मीन सो ये भी मेरा क्वेश्चन था कि इज दिस रियली नेसेसरी कि ओरेकल डीबीए का भी आपको काइंड ऑफ L3 नॉलेज हो, देन यू शुड नो समथिंग अबाउट AWS और Azure और समथिंग लाइक दैट। सो दैट्स द
So actually, coming to your first question, when someone is having more than 6 year, 10 years, or 8 years plus experience now, having a knowledge about just core DBA, it's not sufficient. I discussed this earlier also.
राइट
Along
राइट।
with the Oracle DBA, you should be aware about Oracle Rack, because when you go for an interview, the people will expect that you should have a knowledge about the Oracle Rack also. Apart
या
from this, coming to the cloud side, OCI is really booming in the market. So many people who are working as a DBA, many people who are going through our Oracle DBA and Rack DBA training, the third training that they are doing, that is your OCI, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Because the new databases which are coming in the market, they are also trying and working on OCI. So
ओके।
now everything will not go to the OCI. So when people are saying that there is a bubble of AI and cloud, you check with any person who is working with Citibank, these people are not going on cloud. I work personally with the Citibank, I work with the TD Bank, all those big giants, all these big banking system still on the on premises,
Oh,
because cost wise the initial cost is less in cloud, but if you see the long term, or if you see
yes,
the
yes.
security point of view, then again on premises is much better. So what my suggestion will be, if you think that you are good with the Oracle DBA concept like upgradation, patching on single instance
Yes.
database, then you can start learning about the Oracle Rack RAC. Along with that, start learning about the OCA. Okay, that is good, more than enough in Oracle.
Okay.
Now next thing is, we also observe the IT trend where people are saying that along with the Oracle DBA, because it is an enterprise database, you should know about the open source database also, like PostgreSQL. So Oracle DBA plus PostgreSQL, it's a very good combination. It's a very good combination, because if you are 10 plus and somebody is saying that okay, you are, what is your primary skill set, it's Oracle, but what is the secondary skill set? So there should be one more skill set need to be added, if, because you are going to be lead kind of things or manager will be there, right? So
Yeah.
if there is a issue coming for different databases, you are there to handle that one also. So
Right.
there were a time you will have a separate team where there Oracle team different and Postgres
Yeah.
different.
Yeah. Yeah.
But now industry is changing. Industry is expecting that you should know both the databases. Again, I'm telling you, very
Multi
simple.
scaling. Yeah. Right.
It's very simple. Okay. See, if you know Oracle, na other databases are nothing. Okay, nothing in
Yeah,
it.
that's right. I got your point, sir. So I just wanted to know, like, I just wanted to say, like, I worked on MS SQL also for 2, 3 years. So
Hmm.
I know the basic L1, L2 task for MS SQL also, not the L3 one.
Hmm.
So as what you are saying is, I completely agree with you. So as per you, the Oracle with Postgres is a good combination, right?
Because see, if you see the openings now, so along with the Oracle, people are expecting that part.
Yeah, right.
And
Okay.
we also take care of PostgreSQL DBA training. Okay, so if you are looking for PostgreSQL
That
also,
is
we,
that is an open source database, right?
we take,
PostgreSQL,
yes.
not the licensed one.
No license. Yeah, there are enterprise databases are there like EDB, Percona. Even your cloud are also providing the support. So again, for that also you need to pay. But most of the projects they are not. See, Oracle is strictly for enterprise. You cannot go to that.
Yeah. Correct.
Postgres have both the options, whether you want support
Okay.
or you don't need support. And we take care of this PostgreSQL DBA training also. I personally take that.
Okay, but just final question. Sorry to take your time.
Yeah, no problem.
So, just final question. Like you are saying, Postgres is also a good combination. But even if suppose we don't learn Postgres or don't have the knowledge of Postgres, then also we can. I mean, for my experience, I'm asking personally. For 14 years experience, I can also like crack an interview and good package for the 14 years as a only Oracle DBA. Just for the understanding, I'm asking.
No, see, what I'm trying to make you understand, like getting a job is not a problem. Okay, you will definitely get a job, but the competition is very strict now. Like when you are
Okay.
going for an interview, you are also 14, and there is one more person. He is also 14. You both are technically sound in Oracle, but what I will see as a client, what is extra in you, right? So that extra part will be your PostgreSQL. Because
Okay.
normally when you get a DBA kind of projects now, you will not have only Oracle there. Along with the Oracle, definitely Postgres will be there. So why they will hire a separate person for that, right?
Right.
So that extra part, na, like some people are saying that okay, you are providing Oracle DBA training, but what is extra? I'm saying like along with the Oracle DBA, you will get SQL and Linux also completely free of cost. So that is extra.
Got you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hello. Hi sir.
Yes, please.
Hi. Hi sir. मैं
Can
last
you
छः
please be
महीने
louder little bit?
Hello. Am I audible?
Now I can hear you. Tell me.
Yeah. तो मैं लास्ट मतलब 4 साल से आईटी में काम कर रहा हूँ,
हाँ
लेकिन लास्ट 6 महीने से ही ओरेकल डीबीए में ज्वाइन किया हूँ।
हाँ
तो मतलब ये 3 महीने का ट्रेनिंग सफिशिएंट होगा अगर मैं 3 महीने के बाद जॉब स्विच करना चाहूँ तो
3
मतलब
months will be the good because here we are not just talking about the core DBA concept. I am also going to explain about data guard, ASM, patching, upgradation, shell scripting, performance tuning, OEM. These are the advanced part are also there. So you can enroll for Oracle DBA. That is good. But my suggestion will be, if possible, start learning about the Oracle rack also. OCI is fine, you don't need, okay, it's okay. But rack and Oracle DBA, that's a good thing because you are
4
4
साल
plus
की
now, you are 4 plus. You need to tell him that okay, my current package is this one, and if you are asking for more package, definitely Oracle DBA plus rack combination is quite good. So I'm not saying that you will not get a job, okay? I'm saying that this rack fees you can cover in your package actually.
ओके। तो अभी मेरा करंट 8 लाख है, तो आफ्टर 4 years हाउ मच कैन आई एक्सपेक्ट?
तो वो सारा डिपेंड करता है आपके करंट पैकेज पे ऊपर पे, ओके? तो आपका जो करंट पैकेज रहेगा उसके ऊपर ही देगा वो. अगेन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट विल बी हाउ मेनी ऑफर्स यू हैव इन योर hand, right? If it is a first offer, like you may get 50% or 60%, maybe 30% also. If you have a second offer, you'll get 100%, 200% also. So that is also depending on that.
ओके सर, थैंक यू।
Yes, please.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
Am I
please. I can
audible?
hear you. Yeah.
Yes, sir. I am coming entirely from a different background, and I regularly watch your videos on YouTube as a Oracle DBA because since I have completed my diploma engineering in another field, not in the IT field, printing technology, and after working in the production in the printing and presses, then I worked as a sales and marketing executive. To my family circumstances and financial constraints, I was working outside somewhere in Haryana and something. I came back to Kolkata where my house is because my mother is aged and now I am married also. So the thing is that I want to switch my career from sales and marketing to IT, since I was passionate about learning computer science and like that. But due to my family background and everything, I couldn't do that. I couldn't complete my BTech also. So I completed my graduation in BSc. So now if I start as a fresher in Oracle DB or something like that, so should I learn all the things at a one time, sir? Means the Oracle DBA plus RAC plus Golden Gate,
No,
or
no, no, no. That is not required. Okay. When I'm saying to the people that you need to understand about Oracle RAC, I'm not saying that you need to enroll for RAC now only.
okay, sir.
The process is fixed. First of all, we are going to start with SQL, Linux, and Oracle DBA. So this is one course only. We called it as Oracle DBA only.
After completing this goal,
After completing the Oracle DBA, then we are going to start a new class of Oracle RAC environment. That is
so
a separate class.
after completing this course, sir, will I be able to get a job of any package, sir? Then, and after along doing with that job, will I be able to do that track?
See, getting a job is something like, I cannot give anyone guarantee, okay? Because it is something, everyone have their own abilities, right? From my side, I can say that the training what we are going to give, that will be completely real time practical based training. And till the time you are getting selected, we will provide you the support means whatever type of questions you are going to get in the interview, I am there to help you out. Now you are watching our YouTube channel, you might be getting some confidence on us, right? That
Yes,
we
sir.
are doing something good in our life.
And still, say, because I am also having gap in my career, not in my means working career, but gap before my secondary exams in my educational career. After that, it's okay. I completed the diploma engineering, then graduation. There is no gap like that, sir.
See,
So,
most of the people who are facing the challenges in Oracle DBA is not about the technical things. I'm telling you with my experience, I trained around thousands of people till now, and thousands of people got selected also. So those people who are not able to select also, I'll tell you the problem behind them. The one thing which I observed, that the people are technically sound because we provide the training. The people are also hardworking, but one factor where I cannot also help, that is your communication. So communication play a very very important role if you want to start the career into the IT industry, because when you go for an interview, the interview will be happening in English language.
so that's not my weakness, sir. You can understand that I am also speaking in English with you, sir.
So that is what I'm telling you. So why am I coming back to the same point?
Exactly.
One thing which is there in you, which I see personally, it is your communication and confidence. So one point it is already crossed. Okay, there is no problem in that.
Okay.
Second thing is technical part, which I will take care. Okay, but you need to put the efforts. Okay.
So, sir, SQL, I was seeing that you all give videos on PL and all those things. We need to learn
No, no,
PL.
no, no. PLSQL is not required for you guys.
Okay.
PLSQL is the part of SQL developer team, application team. You guys need to understand only SQL, and that also I'm going to cover in the class. So I'm telling you again, everyone, if you're coming completely blank also, you don't need to understand anything from your side. Everything I'll take care. You just come with open eyes, sit and listen me. That's it. And do the practice whatever I'm going to tell you. That's it. And every lecture we are going to record it also, so that by any chance if you missed, or by any chance after the class you want to do the practice, you will get the recording also.
Okay, sir. Okay. So there will be both the modes of training, sir, online and offline both, because we are
Offline is in Pune location, online uh, like we have two separate batches also. We have Hindi batch, we have English batch. Currently we are starting English batch. You
exactly.
guys, those people who need in Hindi batch, you can enroll now and switch to the Hindi batch also later. There is no extra charges for that.
Okay,
We
sir.
have online batch also, offline batch also. Offline is in Pune location. We have a location called Wakad in Pune. There we take offline batch in our office. So both the batches are there.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir, for your assistance.
Please fill up the form, guys, which is available in the comment section. Okay. Okay. Able to understand, guys, till now, whatever we discuss? Are you able to understand, everyone? Clear? Eh?
Clear, sir.
All right. So again, without wasting the time, those people who are interested to start your journey as a Oracle DBA along with LearnOmate, reach out to the LearnOmate. The numbers are available over the screen, and yeah. So if you have any questions, queries, anything, please fill up the Google form, and we will call you. If you have any questions, also let me know. We can discuss about that, and we are going to start this batch very soon. So enroll it, and I see that we have some 3 vacancies are also available in this batch now, because most of the batch is almost full now. So we have 3 vacancies which are there in my next batch, because these people are enrolling from last 2 months. So let's get started and see you in the class, guys. Okay. So thank you for joining and listening me. You can share this with your friends, colleague, and everyone.
Hello, Ankush sir. Sorry,
Yes.
just one last question.
Yes.
If I want to meet you, coming to your
You
institute,
can come by tomorrow also. Normally, I'll be there by. Uh, I have a batch, and nowadays I'm giving training to the TCS people. So these people are coming in the morning. So 10 to 1 o'clock I'll be there. 10 a.m. to 1 p.m.
okay, I can meet you over there, right?
Yeah, yeah. You
It's
can
near.
check with my team. They will let you know
Okay,
my status. Okay, when I'll be there.
okay. I have Samai's number with me.
Yeah, yeah, Samay.
Samai
You
was there.
talk to him. So he will let you know when I'll be there. But normally, like morning 10 o'clock to 1 p.m. I'll be there tomorrow.
Okay, thank you for that. Yeah.
All right, guys. Thank you so much. And again, please talk to my team or reach out to me. We can discuss and close your admission quickly, because we have limited admissions are there. Thank you so much for listening. Bye bye. See you.